Day 1. Hi there.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live here. And you?
Yes, I live here too.
Do you like this place?
Yes, I like it. It's quiet. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it too.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 1 year. And you?
I've lived here for 6 months. Do you work or study?
I study. And you?
I work.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What do you study?
I study English.
That's great. How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying for 1 week.
Wow, that's good. Do you like it?
Yes, I like learning English.
What do you do after school?
I go home and practice English. What about you?
I go home and relax.
What do you do to relax?
I watch TV or read a book. Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I like to watch TV. What do you watch?
I watch news and movies. What about you?
I watch cartoons.
Cartoons are fun. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like to draw. Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I like to cook.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta and salads. What do you like to draw?
I like to draw animals.
That sounds fun. Do you draw every day?
Yes, I draw in the evening. Do you cook every day?
Yes, I cook dinner every day. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. Do you?
Yes, I love music. What music do you like?
I like pop music. And you?
I like jazz.
Jazz is nice. Do you play music?
Yes, I play the guitar. Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't play, but I like to sing.
Singing is fun. Do you sing every day?
Yes, I sing in the shower.
That's the best place to sing. What's your favorite food?
I like pizza. What about you?
I like sushi.
Do you eat sushi often?
Yes, I eat sushi every weekend. Do you eat pizza often?
Yes, I eat pizza on Fridays.
Do you like to cook pizza?
No, I buy it from a store.
Store pizza is good too. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals. Do you?
Yes, I like animals too. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have a pet, but I want a dog.
Dogs are great. What kind of dog do you want?
I want a big dog, like a German Shepherd. What's your cat's name?
Her name is Bella.
That's a cute name. Do you like the weather today?
Yes, it's nice and sunny. Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love sunny days. Do you like cold weather?
No, I don't like cold weather. Do you?
No, I like warm weather. Do you like snow?
Yes, I like snow, but only for a short time.
Yes, snow is fun, but not too much. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel. Do you?
Yes, I like to see new places. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Japan. And you?
I want to go to Australia.
Australia is beautiful.
Yes, I want to see the beaches.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. Do you?
Yes, I like to swim in the ocean.
Swimming is fun. Do you go to the beach often?
No, only in the summer.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and meet friends. What do you do?
I go hiking in the mountains.
That sounds exciting. Do you hike every weekend?
Yes, I try to. Do you like hiking?
I like walking, but I haven't hiked much.
Hiking is a good way to exercise and enjoy nature.
I should try it sometime.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping. Do you?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes. What do you shop for?
I shop for clothes and shoes.
Do you like to shop online?
Yes, I shop online sometimes. Do you?
Yes, online shopping is easy. Do you go to the mall?
Yes, I go to the mall with friends.
The mall is a fun place to hang out. Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading. Do you?
Yes, I read books before bed. What do you read?
I read magazines and short stories. What do you read?
I read novels. Do you have a favorite book?
Not yet, but I'm looking for one. Do you?
Yes, I like The Little Prince. It's a great story.
I've heard about it. Maybe I'll read it too.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Do you?
Yes, I love coffee. How do you like your coffee?
I like it with milk and sugar. And you?
I like it black.
Black coffee is strong.
Yes, but I like the taste. Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea in the evening.
Tea is relaxing. What's your favorite time of day?
I like the evening. And you?
I like the morning.
Why do you like the morning?
I like the fresh start. Why do you like the evening?
I like to relax after a long day.
Evenings are peaceful.
Yes, they are.
What is your favorite season?
I like spring. And you?
I like autumn.
Spring is nice. I like the flowers.
I like the colors of autumn.
Do you like winter?
Only if there is snow.
Snow is fun, but I like warm weather more.
Me too. Kindly subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get more videos.